And right here where this river takes a turn to the right, when the flow and current is really flowing through here, it's very turbulent and it's warming. Rather windy little small river. It could be done, but depth-wise, but it was a great big maneuver. So to say,
went through everybody's mind. One was even that he come up the wrong way on 12 Mile Islands and came straight across into the Bayou Canot. Just numerous things that could have happened. The fog was so bad. I run a 43-foot crew boat up here, and I couldn't see the front of the 43-foot boat, so the bow of the boat was not visible now. He's not moving at 70.
Lacey, Gary Lee Chancey, Marianne Childs, Lily Ruth Crenshaw,
down Alabama in the Tensaw Swamp, 10 miles outside Mobile, site of a railroad tragedy, a lonely marshy field. September 22 of 93, the night humid and hot. The wreck of the Sunset Limited train, one big bayou couldn't